no place to go. When my head is feeling low, like I've been carrying my secrets everywhere. Maybe that's a silver lining. I've been hoping for a miracle to pull me out from underneath.
Discover the hidden gems of Pietermaritzburg with this exclusive tour. From the rolling hills of Hilton to the bustling streets of downtown. Explore the culture, history and beauty of this vibrant South African city with us. So join us on this unique journey and get ready to be amazed. Welcome to the video. Today we are completing our tour on Langalibalele Street. As on the previous video, we did a tour in Langalibalele Street, but because it was so long, we couldn't finish our tour. So in this video, we are going to be completing our tour. If you are new to this channel, I just want to say thank you so much for popping by. Hopefully you are going to enjoy and stick around. If you are a subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for being loyal. You are the one who keep us inspired and always coming back to deliver more videos that are exciting, but most of all, educational about South Africa. So once again, we are very delighted to have you on this video. So come with us once again and enjoy this historic Pietermaritzburg city, but to be precise, Langalibalele Street, with its vibrant atmosphere, diverse culture and unique local attractions. Langalibalele Street is a perfect location for an unforgettable tour. So get ready to see the road's beautiful architecture, food supermarkets, medical pharmacies, automotive sales, basically most of the services that you can think about. And we can't forget the local restaurants where you can buy delicious local cuisines and experience the wonderful culture of the people who call the streets home, which is Langalibalele Street, one of the oldest streets in Pietermaritzburg. So without wasting any further time, let's go.
I know this might sound kinda stupid, but every time you come to mind I lose it. 'Cause I'm all messed up and I talk too much, yeah. I don't even know why I do this. Yeah, you try to hide your feelings, but I noticed. And I didn't wanna write you a song, 'cause I didn't wanna waste my time. But what's the point in saying I need you when I know that it's a lie? I wish I never said I love you, 'cause now it's gone way too far. Just wanna take back those feelings and go back to the start. I swear before I met you, my life was not this hard. Just gonna care for myself now. Can we go back to the start? Why is it all so confusing? Find myself trying to walk away, but my heart is refusing. Now I get all choked up when I try to talk, and I don't even know why I do this. Yeah, I've been trying to hide my feelings, but you noticed. And I didn't wanna write you a song, 'cause I didn't wanna waste my time. But what's the point in saying I need you when I know that it's a lie? I wish I never said I love you, 'cause now it's gone way too far. Just wanna take back those feelings and go back to the start. I swear before I met you, my life was not this hard. Just gonna care for myself now. Can we go back to the start? Never said I love you. Never said I love you. Should never said I love you. Never said I love you. I wish I never said I love you. Never said I love you. Never said I love you. Should never said I love you. Never said I love you. I wish I never said I love you. I wish I never said I love you, 'cause now it's gone way too far. Just wanna take back those feelings and go back to the start. I swear before I met you, my life was not this hard. Just gonna care for myself now. Can we go back to the start? I wish I never said I love you, yeah. I wish I never said I love you. I wish I never said I love you. Hey, I wish I never said I love you. I wish I never said I love you. Never said I love you. Never said I love you. Can we go back to the start?
I am now going to derail a little bit and visit the capital city center. This is a center where you will find a whole range of services that you might need, from groceries, food to your electronic stuff. You will get it here in the capital city center. It's actually very busy today. I think that's because it's a Friday afternoon. So if you are rushing, maybe you are rushing to go somewhere else, I wouldn't recommend for you to come on Fridays. I'll recommend you to come on other days and before 3 o'clock. That's the time that you are most likely to find it not so full. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you are still watching at this time, I just want to say I really appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you already know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment. That'll help the channel big time to develop further and create more videos of other than just Pietermaritzburg, but of other places in South Africa. So I hope you did enjoy. Hope to see you on the next video. Peace.